Okay, this is what I used on my e-bike. I ordered this from Aliexpress. This has all the connectors you need. Any part you get on your bike, just wire it into these, or these, and these will take care of your needs. There's a male and a female, and they slot together like so. So take all the ends of your wires, put those in there, and you've got the female body that'll just slip up in there and click in place. There's a little tang here that holds it in place. Now this kit has up to size 6 ones, so just get a male out. The male here slots in there, clicks in place. Now that's got to be the best way to fit off everything. So what I did was change out all my e-bike components. I chopped off all the old non-compliant, I'll call it, bodies, and changed them over to these. Now out of my switch that turns on the horn, the light, left indicator, right indicator, you've got 7 wires. Now I think some of those can be doubled up, so you don't have to put, you can still get your 6 wires in there. It's just that you'll have a loop on the back or 2 wires will be going into one. In fact, I think there's the common, you might be able to fit more than one common wire in there. But anyway, this is the best way to do it. My whole e-bike, it looks a bit like a rat's nest in the bag I've got, but it genuinely cleans and tidies everything up and makes it a lot easier in case I have to change the light or do anything else to it. All I have to do is just unclick it. It's as simple as that. Well, anyway, I've shown you my new little kit, and that's what I've got left after making one bike. I think this cost about 18 bucks, about $20 Australian. So you're not really, you're going to break the bank, and you've got all these parts left for later. So I'm really impressed with this. But my e-bike has been crafted together from a bunch of AliExpress parts, and no, this just made it all come together. Now, as for wiring up one of those switches, I couldn't find much info online. When I went to wire up mine, I had to pull out my multimeter and thresh out all the circuits and make sure everything was going to each one correctly. And like I said at the start, well, I don't know, you've got to make sure you pair up all your equipment. The switches maybe not, but all your lights will have to be compliant with the voltage kicked out by your battery. 50 odd volts going through a 12 watt globe, it'll look bright for a while, but it'll burn out. So I'm not sure if it'll even work with the LED, but it's up to you what you want to use. But this kit makes it easy. Thanks a lot.